Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I will be assembling a variety of jewellery pieces, attaching lots of different pendants to them. Here we have the pendants made recently. All these have been mass produced by me. We've got jade, volcanic lava and rainbow fluorite. Some of them also have gold filigree upon them. Here we have some lovely 18 karat gold Figaro chains. It should be quite nice to put some of these pendants on. All these were handmade by me, all these bracelets and necklaces. These are all necklaces, some of them quite long. Very nice pattern on the double link chain, as you can see. And then I got all these bracelets to attach stuff to as well. Lots. Which I'll be probably using the single beads for, rather than the double. Nice angle there. Sleeves up. So let's do some of these handmade chains that I've done first, I think. Close them up. Not too long, these ones. Not to attach to it. I think one of these will do nicely. Look at that thing. There's all three on there. Got a bit of lava, a bit of rainbow fluorite and a bit of jade. Big split ring on there, very handy. Put it over the entire thing so it slides around freely. There's one. That actually looks quite nice. So quick few more. Shouldn't be too long a video, this one, since I only have to attach all these rainbow fluorite on its own this time. Again, very nice. This one's a single length chain. So, not as stylish as the other more laboriously made ones. Let's put a different one on one. Where's my tweezers? Let's put one that can be changed on there. Some jade. Seems about right. These ones have clasps, so I can change the item that's on the chain. Try and get a nice placement for that. There we go. So there's the jade with the single length chain. Continue. Only two necklaces left before the Figaros, and then a bunch more bracelets. Clasp fell out of there. I didn't put it on properly. I made all of these, including all of the pendants seen here as well. Want one of these, but the clasp is a bit too small, so get a bigger one. Remove this tiny split ring that's on there, as that's too small for what is required. These larger ones can be opened by hand with a little bit of strength. There we go. There's another one that's got some jade and volcanic material on that. Quite pretty. No filigree upon that, but it still looks lovely. So one more there. This one's quite long. Double chain, double link. I think I'll do some plain volcanic lava here. You need a large split ring again. This one has some filigree upon it, quite nice. Have to put that on one of the chain links. It's quite a nice piece again, quite weighty also, due to the large split rings on this, large rings on the double chain, double link. All quite nice. Move a bit closer to the camera there. There's a lot of the work's going down by here. So let's do some Figaros next. Something more nice. One of them, I think. That's a nice one. It's got a bit of multicolour on it. Quite pretty. Oh, it goes very well with the Figaro chain. Look at that. Very pretty indeed. Expected as much. Although, you know, most pendants would probably look nice on a Figaro chain. Very pretty. And different one, I should think. Some black lava and rainbow fluorite. That one. Contrasts nice with the gold, doesn't it? That black lava. Very pretty. All coming along quite nicely. Let's have a little look. So the necklaces have all got attachments to them now, as you can see. Very pretty Figaro chains. All these handmade ones. Pendants are also all handmade by me. And got that one there as well. And that one. So just all these bracelets to go, which are in tubes. More of these adjustable sort of things, as you can see there. T-bar on that one. Intend on using single beads for that, for these. And likely the small split rings. So find the central point there. Damn it. You seen that? It jumped. There we go. Very pretty bracelet with a filigree gold plated filigree with lazy and jade bead. Very nice. So another one of them, I should think. Make a nice pair. Ooh, the T-bar just fell all the way through. There we go. That'll happen with no wrist in it. Let's do a black one now. So there's a nice little pair going. form. Find the central point again. Done. Again, very nice piece. Just keep going through all of these till done. Shouldn't take me too long though. Looks like I keep getting stuck like that. Quite big rings on these ones. Okay, let's do some rainbow fluorite for them. That one has no split ring. Nice big piece of rainbow fluorite. Another one here. But no split ring, forgot about that. Try and speed this up a little bit. I have 6 left to do. And time is waiting for nobody. Double split rings. See, I'm trying to do them a bit quicker. That one's got one attached already. Quite nice. Four left. Should be enough time. Try not to take for ages. Next, yeah. Made a vast variety of pendants, as you can see. Far too many, way more than needed. But I intend on using a few in charms and other stuff. So. Or necklaces, most likely. Quite a lot of jewellery assemblage, but there are a good number of pieces, maybe 20. Just Closing up these bracelets. A close-up inspection when done, as usual. Rainbow fluorite. Yeah, we'll do 2 rainbow fluorites for that. Wow, I didn't use literally hardly any of my pendants that I made. But find some interesting stuff to do with all them in the future. That's okay, I suppose. Just straighten all these up, make them a bit neater. Attach these. And find the central. There we go. Center point on the bracelet. Otherwise it'll be at an angle. Okay, all done. Very nice. Very pretty. Let's have an examination. So, got black volcanic lava, single bead there. Did make quite a lot of them for bracelets, but I ended up using multiple pieces, as you can see. All the way down there. Very pretty, a lot of them, hope you agree. Get some close-ups on that, nice. There's the lovely Figaro chains, 18 karat gold filled. Very lovely necklaces. Definitely a fan of that chain design.